Seafood and ocean acidification. What? The ocean is getting more acidic. Where? The ocean. When? Right at this moment. Who? Seafood farmers losing money because of loss of products. The ocean is more acidic, therefore seafood is bad quality, and ocean farmers lose money because they are bad quality. Carbon is being sucked into the ocean and a hydrogen ion is quickly being released. The more hydrogen ions there are, the more acidic the ocean is. What is happening is there is more and more carbon being put into the atmosphere through factories and humans, and therefore the ocean is absorbing a lot more than it used to be. The carbon is causing more hydrogen ions to be released from the ocean, and therefore it makes the ocean more acidic and harder for animals such as lobsters to grow shells. The surface water also takes in carbon at an extremely fast rate, which means that it is becoming more acidic at an extremely fast rate. This is an extremely significant issue, as first of all, there are many people who rely on animals such as lobsters for their food and jobs. Lesser quality of these means worse quality food and probably less trade. This leads to companies possibly failing and people not getting proper nutrients. This ties in with the water cycle, because when the acidic water is evaporated and rains down on crops and other growing things, it is not good quality water and therefore reduces plant quality. Furthermore, it could turn into acid rain, which is hazardous for aeroplanes. We overall should try and use less cars and burn less, as well as try and reduce factory production. However, in this day and age, these things can be hard to do because of the size of our population and how much we need cars, aeroplanes, and things that come from factories. Also, there are so many people that are cold and therefore they burn things and release carbon into the air just to get warm. I suggest that we use more green energy cars or electric cars and that we walk to places more as well. We should try and use aeroplanes less as well, as they emit lots of carbon into the atmosphere. As for fires and heating, we need to find an alternative way to keep people warm that doesn't put carbon into the atmosphere. Factories also should find another way of doing their work so that they don't use so much carbon. They should also try and find new ways of disposing their waste.